Stovetop Vegetable Broth for Pumpkin Soup, Part 2 of 3.
Today I'm yearning for some pumpkin soup.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
So what are we doing here? Well, we need to make some stock for the pumpkin soup. So I have 4 organic carrots. I'm going to put apples in mine. I have some celery that needs this good onion. I have a couple leaves, pieces of the carrots first. Then I'm going to peel them. Here's the carrots for right now. Lettuces. This will add a nice flavor to the broth. It doesn't even have to be cut much. What's the difference between broth and stock? Stock is juice that's made out of chicken bones or meat bones or something like that. And being a vegan, I don't eat stock, but I do eat broth. Broth is made out of vegetables. That's the difference. Okay, the apple I'm going to peel, skins off, and I could just drop the entire apple in there. I'm going to quarter it. When I was not a vegan, only apples I would eat were Granny Smith. I loved the taste of them. They're bitter, they're tart. Then I became a vegan, and it's like my palate came alive. Now I eat all kinds of apples. It's like everything's changed. This is brand new celery I bought today at Sam's Club. I'm going to pull out about 4 of these. Now you notice I did not core the apple. They're going to go in the stock pot that way. And these over here, they're already been washed. I'm just going to make large pieces of them. That's basically the celery. It's a little bit of celery we have left. Here's our onion. So what I'm going to do is to cut off the ends. Carrots are last, and we just cut them in small chunks. Okay, so now next is going to go on the stove. Now it's been over an hour cooking on low. I boiled it, brought the pot to a boil, and I brought it down. Now you wonder, how long do you know it's ready? See how easily it's going through this carrot? That's how you know it's ready. The apples are mushy, which are ready. So I'm going to be straining this next, using this in other dishes I have, or fillers for my lunch, because I love to have fresh vegetables all the time. Put the bowl first in, that you want to capture the juice. The strainer on the top. Now remember, it's very hot. Very carefully pour into the container. And if you're lucky, you'll be able to put this in here without it overflowing. Then using a large bowl like this, I'm going to pour this in here and let this cool, and then towards the end I'll show you how I put this away. This is your broth. Now if you're not worried about these little pieces that you see inside the broth, then you can use it just this way. Or if you are worried about it, use a metal strainer and filter it one more time. I'm not going to worry about it. I know what vegetables went inside here. I'm going to use it just the way it is. Now the broth is still cooling, not that we need it cool, but I wanted to take care of the vegetables. So these, I'm going to store these in plastic bags. And I'm just going to put veg, and I know what it's going to be. And today's date is March 18th, so I put on the date so that, let's see, I know exactly where I'm going with this. Doesn't really matter. You want to kind of get a combination of the onions and some of the carrots in each of the bags, but it doesn't really make any difference because in the end it's just going to add additional texture or fiber to my meal. I'm just going to put a little bit, just going to probably open all the bags up. Only need 2 bags for this job. Okay, so you saw I came up with about two bags. They're full bags. And okay, and I'll be putting this in the freezer, and I can add it to my meals. Because a lot of times what I do is I just eat hot vegetables. Okay, get all the air out. So this is all ready. So no loss with these vegetables. Next to the soup.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.